with a story about a rift that has opened up in the constituency of Central Kingston, in the JLP organization in Central Kingston, the governing Jamaica Labour Party constituency organization in Central Kingston. Yesterday, you may have seen and heard being posted all over social media some very explosive voice notes from the council of the Raytown division in Central Kingston. The JLP is Rosie Hamilton, and she, known popularly as Rosie, she has been a foundation of the Jamaica Labour Party in that constituency for more than 30 years. She's a stalwart in the constituency. She ran for the JLP unsuccessfully in the constituency in 2011. And in those voice notes, she made some very, very serious and defamatory, damaging allegations against the sitting member of parliament, the JLP's Donovan Williams, who's also a state minister. And when you listen to the voice notes, you several questions, but let's leave those for the moment. Essentially, what the voice notes betray, reveal, is a war, an internal political war between the MP, Donovan Williams, and the councillor, Rosie Hamilton. They are at war. And it is so bad, that Rosie Hamilton, the JLP councillor for the Raytown division, a former candidate for the party, declared in those voice notes that she is going to work to ensure that neither Donovan Williams nor the JLP retain Central Kingston at the next general elections. The allegations having to do with corruption and all kinds of things that we can't say here because we have no way, of verifying. They tantamount to hearsay, and hearsay can't go to court. What I can tell you is that we have been trying to reach Mr. Williams, who is a target of the allegations being leveled by Councillor Hamilton. We have not been able to reach him, or New Centre has been trying to reach him. Mr. Williams, we have been trying to reach you. We have been able to reach Ms. Hamilton, Councillor Hamilton. And she confirms that the voice notes are hers, in her voice. And she maintains that she's not going to be coming here or going elsewhere to elaborate and to subject herself to questioning about the content of the voice notes, and in particular, the very serious and damaging allegations made against the Minister of State and the MP, Donovan Williams. What we have also been able to establish is that she made the allegations, she made the comments to a group of who she calls JLP supervisors of Central Kingston, just about 20 of them. She was clearly, and we're going to play what we can play, but we have taken care to remove the defamatory comments. Yeah? And you can hear that in the voice notes. Rosie Hamilton is angry, very upset, and in a fighting mood because of what she's maintaining is the attack against her name by the Member of Parliament. Yes? And we have had to edit the voice notes carefully to remove the defamatory allegations. So you may see elsewhere, on certain other platforms, you can hear. We don't have that luxury. Yeah, we have to be very, very mindful of the rules and the laws of defamation that we are subject to. Studio, here is the edited version of the voice notes.
Donovan Williams, I want you stop walk with my name. You go in at the party and you've been telling the party you give me money and the money me I war ready for. Donovan Williams, me I tell you, me I try to keep your disgrace out of the public domain. Cause Donovan, a whole heap of things me I go in at the media go talk, you know. You hear how long me I want you tell yourself leave me alone. You're not gonna like it, you know. And listen, I am not telling you again to stop walk with my name. Several MPs call me and tell me that Donovan tell them that him been giving me money. And Christmas, him give me how much money? Donovan Williams, I wasn't in Jamaica in Christmas. You gave $4 million worth of Christmas work that could not give out the work. I had to put money on it. You gave me no money. Every time you are having a program in the area, a project in the area, I gave you the program for the Christmas money and it always exceeded. It's me put money on it. Donovan, you have never given me no money. Stop tell lie for me, Donovan Williams. And you a walk tell people about me tell Ramon, say me a step down and give him seat. And then me come back and tell him, say, for wait for 6 years. And Ramon tell me, say, him can't wait for 6 years because I'm not going to politics till him old. Let me tell you something. Everything I go in at the media, you know. Donovan Williams, you want a confrontation. And trust me, I go give you the confrontation. Me I wait on the right time. Because you don't know, you are go around and me are go around. Me they are foreign and me a campaign just like you. Me don't want nobody for campaign for me, you know. Me have a name where me can campaign pan. And me I warn you and I tell you, Donovan Williams, me I go open your file in a social media. You hear me I warn you, Twin Donovan. You hear me I warn you, Donovan. You hear me I warn you. You hear me telling yourself to leave my name alone? You see, I do, I'm not pay on my mind. When I don't talk things them, in the public, me I go with it. In the public. Just continue. Just continue. You want a peaceful transition? Take the peaceful transition and do what you do because you can't stay in a Central Kingston. Me, I go campaign make you lose. So you have to get rid of you. Me, I forget rid of. Me not ask you that. Oh, leave me alone. I'm me build Central Kingston, you know. I'm me build Central Kingston. And you are anticipate a selection. Me no in a selection. Me I give him the seat. But me, I go run past something else cause PMP have to win the seat. JLP can't win it back. Me I make sure them not win it back. That's all me have to do. So me in an argument with you.
That is Councillor Rosie Hamilton, the JLP's Rosie Hamilton, a former parliamentary candidate for the party in the constituency, on a voice note that has been leaked. By who, we don't know. But in that voice note, and in the voice notes, you can hear how angry she is, to the point where she has declared that she's going to campaign to make sure the Labour Party does not retain Central Kingston at the next polls. You can hear her venom directed at the Member of Parliament and the State Minister, Donovan Williams. What we removed, yes, are the very, very damaging allegations she made specifically against the State Minister. Yes? Now, you must understand that Rosie Hamilton, as I said at the top of the show, is no ordinary Labourite in Central Kingston. She has been one of the foundation members, one of the critical organizers of the Labour Party. She's what you call a veteran, a stalwart, an activist from the inner core of the constituency organization. It is also of note that you should know that she moves between Central Kingston, where she resides, and the United States, where she told me in the discussion with her last night that she lives and works as well. Yeah. So she moves between Jamaica and the United States. And she is a sitting councillor of the Kingston and St. Andrew Municipal Corporation. After the break, you'll hear the latest development in this, as the Member of Parliament, Donovan Williams, has just released to the media a statement from his attorneys threatening Councillor Hamilton. After the break.
My hands were steady.